Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. This is how we created our crystal sun catcher. So your kit's going to contain wire. And what we do is we load Swarovski flower bead, 7 of them. Center them. Then we're going to go back through 3 of them. Get them lined up and pull tight. Now we're going to load our 8mm round. On one side. We're going to take our wire through opposite direction. Through the other side, keeping your wire straight. Pull nice and tight. Then we're going to bring our bottom wire up. We're going to load our other 8mm round. We're going to put it in here. And we're going to start twisting. So now it's nice and tight. Both beads are in. And you actually can nip off some of your wire to make it easier. We don't need quite this much. Now your kit's going to contain 5 silver beads, 2mm. You're going to load both wires through. They're going to push down. I didn't get my cut very good, so cut that a little better so it's a little easier to go through. There we go. Now they're going to slide right on for me. We're going to load our bicone on. Our crystal rondelle. and another bicone. Everything's in place, looks good. Now we're just going to do a normal wrap. Nip off our excess wire. And there we have it. The other things your kit contains is all done with jump rings. You're just going to proportionally cut your chain. You can put this wherever you want it, halfway mark, down at the bottom, and we just connect it all with jump rings. So your kit's going to contain 3 of the 5.5, and then it's going to contain 2 of the 4mm and 1 9mm. So once you've cut your chain, that's all you do. You just take, this usually is the last thing I put on. Go through. Close it up. Then I'm going to put the other it to my octagon, and then the way we create this up here is I just take the small head pins that have been attached. I'm going to attach them right here. So you've been given 6 head pins that are 1.5 inch. So you're just going to load your bicone, and you're going to make 6 of these. And you're just going to wrap like that, cut off your excess wire. You're going to have 6 of these. You're going to open your 4mm jump. That's right here. You're going to load 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Add the rest of your chain, put your 9mm jump. Then you have a sun catcher. Thanks for joining us at 2 Cute Beads.